Hi everyone, we're at John Sadler's Auto Repair, and this is like one of those consumer videos again. A customer went to a local Honda dealer. They had an express oil change for $59.95. He asked for that, and when he got back to pick up the car, they rotated his tires and changed the transmission fluid without his authorization. He asked me to double check the work. So let me show you what I found out. When you take the transmission drain plug out, which is this plug right here, and then you're supposed to replace the seal ring, and that's what the seal ring looks like. And if you look at this, you can see that it's got two seal rings on it. It's got the new one they put on it, and it's got the one that was originally on the car. So, you know, it's not leaking right now, but that's definitely not correct. So then we'll drop the vehicle down, and I'll show you the fluid level. Now, in these particular cars, you always check the transmission fluid with engine off. And we'll point the camera down here. And it has a stick down here we pull out. And here's the stick on it. And the fluid level is low. I'll wipe it off. Transmission shop guy told me years ago, there's a lot of lint on towels, and then you use your fingers on a transmission stick after you wipe it off with a towel. So I'm going to go back down here in the hole and get in there, pull it out. So the transmission fluid should be in these two crosshairs. So it's like a quarter of a quart low, which you would think for their, you know, charging them $100 to do it, that this level would be in between these crosshairs. So when you're looking for quality and you want the craftsmanship, or you want, you know, someone to do a good job for you, you've got to find someone that really cares about their consumers' cars, and I care about my consumers' cars. So I would have put one seal ring on it, I would have test driven it, brought it back, got the fluid warmed up, and put the proper amount of fluid in before the vehicle left my shop. So there's two issues with it. This should have never happened. It doesn't need a lot of service they said he needed, so he's having me do the service it does need as a result of that. And thank you very much, everybody. Please be careful.